So what we got here is a Samsung Galaxy S4 with AT&T, but this video applies to every single model out there of the Galaxy S4. In this video, we're going to replace the charging port. So the first thing that we are going to do is remove the screws off the back of the phone. Now that we are done with removing all the screws, the next step that we're going to take is to remove the back cover of the phone. And this is the charging port that we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and stick our tool right in between the screen and the back cover border or edge of it. Once we get all that separated, the next thing that we're going to do is start unplugging the charging port and the back and home button flex cable, removing the plate that secures the charging port, and removing the antenna coaxial cable. Now we peel off the defective charging port and we get ready to put the new one in. We peel off the adhesive so we can glue it back in place. And we place it in the exact same place where the other one was. Now we're going to secure the connectors. Connect back the cellular antenna. And place the metal plate. We're going to bend it a little bit to make sure that it's nice and tight, and secure it back in place. At this moment, we put the back cover of the phone back where it belongs. Snap it right into place. Once it's nice and secure, we're going to reverse the process and put all the screws back in place. Now we're going to put the SIM card back in place, the battery, the back cover, and we are going to proceed to check the charging port. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you are in Central Texas, 254repair.com is the place to go to get your cell phone, computer, laptop, tablet fixed. Thank you very much.